Do 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 do.
Got some right here. We'll have to leave it there. There's an artery that runs through here, or a vein that runs through the lake called the femoral artery. Slice that. There's nothing you can do. You'll die before any ambulance can get. And my only source of water was digging springs. So I went beside water like this, right next to it on the shore, I guess. Come back a few hours later, and it'll clear up. And I go ahead and just suck the water. So
We'll hope we're not crushing any.
this is a pretty big source of food, right? So these guys, they tend to taste like little shots of lemon juice. So if you take one, pop it in your mouth, and give it a quick shot. Shake mom with this. This is already one of those.
Chance.
Not grade 9.
What's that?
Not grade 9.
Oh.
So I have a YouTube channel too, so we'll see. We may end up putting it on YouTube. Yeah, it's crazy, eh?
Bottom one's almost dripping
That bottom
faster.
one's dripping faster.
Okay, yeah, go to that one. I'll see if I can make it.
Things
I don't think it's...
you never knew about Justin. You got recruited to play in Boston.
That's the toughest one. Those fellows had a good piece over there.
Isn't that where you just probably grabbed?
There's a knife cut on the back side here. So that's a pretty good piece actually. And we'll take it back to the camp. And then by using the heat of the fire, you can bend these a lot easier without them tearing. Send this back to the camp.
Out Gunner really looks like that
We'll see how it works. Hopefully the demonstration works well. And I'm putting pressure with my left hand down. Okay, so that went pretty good. And then I just finished it off. So a couple of seconds to cut through a tree. Times, you know, it's tough when there's no water anywhere.
Yeah, isn't that weird? Like,
What's your like? The cliffs is cool. If you've never been there, you'll be kind of impressed.
Yeah. It's great for cross-country skiing.
If you want to go quadding, there's other places.
We cross-country ski all the way back from there. One.
You guys are country kids, so you don't get that. An awful lot of city kids, 20, 25 years old, never put a knife in their hand. Never put a fire with that. Right over the light. Yep. Change side. Justin, you know what you're doing? You're on your way. Oh, there's a taper.
Of course, Mr. Ryan.
Or
Yeah.
twisting the
I was just watching.
before you flip.
You tried? You are?
Twist the hair.
I'm gonna Dutch braid.
Actually, no, my hair's not cool.
Do a waterfall braid on him. That'd look nice.
What?
A waterfall braid.
I'm gonna grow the curliest hair.
Holy crap! Goes on forever.
So your ropes will be different thicknesses. If you chose the innermost leaves like this, you'll get almost a pencil thick wave or something. I don't know what. Don't give us a moon. Somebody twitch?
Doing this.
This is his punishment.
Megan should be doing this. He broke Megan's stick. Okay, you got